Detecting and monitoring the number and location of people without any violations of private spheres will be an essential part of contemporary working place concepts. Using the Grid-EYE sensor from Panasonic Industry, our customers can quickly build their own wireless sensor Internet of Things applications for people detection and counting. Grid-EYE is a non-contact temperature sensor with 64 pixels. It can output data up to 10 times per second, while delivering low noise. In addition, Panasonic Industry keeps developing the Grid-EYE evaluation kit and its software, which directly outputs the number and position of detected people to reduce your software development resources and to shorten time to market. Let's have a look at a demo to understand how the Grid-EYE works. For the demo, a meeting room scene with 6 participants has been measured and the data has been analyzed successively. The Grid-EYE unit has been mounted on the ceiling and connected to PC via Wi-Fi. The PC runs the people detection software for demonstration purposes. The output of the sensor temperature is averaged for each pixel and stored as background temperature, which is regularly updated with the actual measured temperatures, subtracting the detected people in the foreground. An initial movement of a heat source is used as a trigger to detect a person. A person is labeled and tracked even when standing still for a longer period of time. Non-contact sensing of temperature distribution, occupancy, people positioning, people number, movement direction, and more. With the Grid-EYE and our sensing solutions, you can turn invisible thermal data into your own value.
Your committed enabler. Panasonic Industry.